perform the operations indicated. We have here division, and when we don't have any sign, it means we have multiplication. So we have division and multiplication of integers. The rule for order of operation for integers is the same like for the positive numbers. When we have division and multiplication, we start from the left side and we're going to the right. So we have first 18 divided by -2. 18 doesn't have any sign, it means it's positive. We have positive number divided by negative. Or when we have negative divided by positive, the answer is the same, negative. The same like for multiplication. So positive divided by negative give me negative. And we have 18 divided by 2, and we have times -9. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, 18 divided by 2 is 9, and we have times -9. Now we have negative number times negative. When we multiply or divide two negative numbers, multiply or divide, the answer is positive. So we have positive sign and we have to multiply 9 times 9. Positive sign we don't have to write. 9 times 9 is 81. This is my solution.